All right, mate. Let's have a look at ramp here. Yeah, I was stuck on the phone for a few hours. I couldn't get off it, so I couldn't make any videos or anything. Let's have a look. You can see the green, the 2 week is green, pushing higher. There is a slight area here where maybe we need to just be aware of and just be careful of a resistance point right into this previous pivot. So it's just something to keep an eye on. There it is there actually, yeah. So you can see it even better here. Well, if I refine that right down, you can see there's a bit of a double top there. Okay, so like I do like ramp, okay, but there is the possibility, if you look at JST here, it's kind of a very similar chart in a way, that when price actually pierced above this white 100 moving average, well, you can see, from the peak of that up above this, there was actually, well, quite a bit of a drop. There was actually a 50% drop almost back down before it rounded out. So are we going to fail and come back down here? It's getting a slightly dangerous to be buying it up here. There could be one more push off it, but it's likely the price comes back down here some shape or form and kind of chops about before getting a bigger move to the upside, in my opinion. A little bit like this sort of setup. I'm not saying it has to drop 50%, but I think that you will be able to buy it cheaper than buying here above this moving average. So that kind of implies it's getting a little bit risky to be buying it up here. Maybe I'll be wrong and it'll pop back up, but I would not buy this today. I would wait until a new day tomorrow, and if this flips green, there may be one more day left to the upside. Right, there might be another push higher, and that's the only way I would trade this at this point. No need to buy this today. It can bounce today. Like it's down 8%. If you want a knife catch, you could buy it today actually, and you could put a stop below today's low somewhere there, and see then if we can get a bounce back up and then a continuation. So that if you want to be risky about it, you could buy now with a stop below the lows, but it's a risky option. Otherwise, wait until tomorrow, and if it flips green, then tomorrow you can try and see if it, if we bounce back up and continue this move.